Imagine sunshine in a bowl. That's our Mediterranean chickpea bowl. This bowl is bursting with delicious and healthy goodness. The Mediterranean diet is famous for its fresh flavors. It makes you feel fantastic. Our chickpea bowl is a star of this diet. This bowl is a rainbow of flavors and textures. Think creamy hummus, crunchy veggies, and fluffy quinoa. It's an explosion of yummy in every bite. Let's talk ingredients. We use fresh, vibrant vegetables. Tomatoes burst with juicy sweetness. Cucumbers add a cool crunch. Red onion gives a little zing. Chickpeas are the stars of this show. They are little powerhouses of protein. We'll roast them until they're golden and crispy. A drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs add a touch of wonder. Time to roast. Chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast them in a hot oven until they are tender and a little bit charred. While the veggies roast, let's prepare the chickpeas. Toss them with olive oil, paprika, and a pinch of cumin. Roast them alongside the vegetables until they are crispy. Section 4. Cool down with tzatziki. Now for the cool and creamy tzatziki sauce. Mix Greek yogurt with grated cucumber, garlic, and fresh dill. This sauce adds a wonderful tang. Quinoa is our final touch. It's a superfood that's light and fluffy. Cook it according to the package instructions and fluff it up with a fork. Section 5. Building your bowl. Time to build your bowl. Start with a bed of fluffy quinoa. Add a generous scoop of roasted vegetables. Top with crispy chickpeas and a dollop of creamy tzatziki sauce. You can add your own flair. Some crumbled feta cheese adds a salty bite. A sprinkle of fresh herbs brightens the flavors. A squeeze of lemon juice adds a final burst of sunshine. Enjoy!